Chickpeas are used in a variety of ways. Their texture makes them versatile, and their flavor makes them adaptable to any culture's palate. So you'll see varieties on this legume around the world.
I'm making
The ratio is really good. Khadija's ratio is good.
My name is Beryl,
A little bit more.
and this show explores how our foods can bring our different cultures together, and this is our chickpea episode. Today, I've paired up Adil and Khadija to swap their go-to chickpea recipes from their cultures.
I'm in the filming now.
Yeah, we're filming you.
Adil will be trying a Syrian dish called fette hummus,
Today is the day I'm going for it. Woo! These look crispy.
while Khadija will be making Adil's Pakistani chana chaat.
Still hot.
How did you just put your hands on that? It's in boiling water.
I'm fine. Don't worry.
Cumin and coriander. No dish is complete without them.
Got a can of chickpeas lying around? Get your notes ready, because you're gonna wanna try these.
Hi Khadija, my name is Adil, and today you're gonna be making my favorite chickpea dish, chana chaat. Chana chaat is a boiled chickpea dish that comes from Pakistan, but you can also find its variations in India. I myself was born in United States, but I was brought up in Pakistan. I moved back in 2014, and I've been here ever since.
Okay. I'm in the filming now.
Yeah, we're filming you.
Okay.
That's what you're here to be done. We're filming you.
Okay. Let's boil the potato first.
I love chana chaat because it just reminds me of home when I used to cook it with my mom.
Can you help mommy, please?
That was perfect.
I often have chickpeas, tomatoes, potatoes, onions in my house, so it makes it very easy to cook and eat.
I cook Syrian food. We don't eat a lot of meat, mostly veggie. I love this dish because it's very similar with our food.
I would say when you're making chana chaat, just enjoy the process. It literally takes you 15 minutes. Make sure you're putting the potatoes to boil early on and enjoy it.
Still hot.
How did you just put your hands on that? It's in boiling water.
I'm fine. Don't worry. I do it a lot. I boil a lot of potato. I'm fine.
If you're into cumin, if you're into coriander powders, they can definitely amplify it. And of course, don't forget lemon juice. It seems like a simple ingredient, but it's gonna amplify the flavors. So one of the key ingredients in this recipe is chaat masala.
It's like mix. A lot of the flavor come to my nose, you know?
And it is a seasoning that is a combination of different spices.
Like not
do you
intense
think?
spice, but like salty at the same time. Like the sea.
The flavors are just amazing. It's completely up to you. You control the level of sourness, tarriness. It's all in your hands, so you can amplify it as much as you want.
He said I can add more lemon juice if you want, and I love lemon juice. Let's do it.
I hope you love making chana chaat as much as we do and get to share a little bit of my culture in your household. Love, Adil.
Let's try it. Very simple, very healthy food, spicy. I love it. And just I need add more olive oil again. We love olive oil in Syria. We can go without olive oil and garlic, you know?
If something goes wrong, she'll blame it that it didn't have enough olive oil.
I think I will use olive oil for it in the future. After I try this, I will try any kind of dish because, you know, food make people come together with a culture.
Yeah, I'll take some olive oil.
Sorry, Adel, I will add some olive oil to it.
Those are red onions in there too?
Yes.
Oh, so you know what? That just moves it 2,000 miles to the east. That's amazing.
Yeah.
How you like it?
I like that it's sour.
Me too. Like
That's
yes.
so good.
Yeah.
We add more. We
The
should
spices
be.
are good. Adil, this was a great recipe.
Thank you, Adel. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, this is Khadija. Today you will making my favorite traditional Syrian dish named fattoush hummus.
So we're gonna make fattoush hummus. Thank you for sending the recipe, Khadija.
I am originally come from Syria. I left my country because of the war. I accept as refugee in United States.
So I'm gonna turn the oven on first and raise your hands if you put some stuff in your oven.
Classic New York.
Classic New York.
Fatted hummus is traditional dish in Syria. We use it as snack or breakfast or like brunch.
I've actually never made my own pita chips. This is my first time doing this, so if it's cheaper and convenient, why not, you know?
I love these dishes because it's part of our culture, especially in a Friday. We gather as a family, helping mom in the kitchen.
All right, don't judge me. I don't know how to cut a garlic.
In America, people usually dip with the hand and eat it. In Syria, we're using the spoon when we eat it. My mom taught me how to make it since I am like maybe in middle school.
So now we're gonna go for the sauce.
The hardest part actually when you make the sauce, you need right measurement.
In India or Pakistan, they use cumin and coriander. No dish is complete without them. And honestly, like, I would always keep one of these. They're handy dandy.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Perfect.
And the bread too, you don't like him to burn, you need him right, just like crunchy.
These look crispy.
It's combination between crunch bread and amazing sauce and the garnished nuts in the top with olive oil.
Let's do this for some cinematic effect.
Very cinematic.
I think you will like it because it's really wonderful dipping dish, and I think all America like dipping.
I'm making
The ratio is really good. Khadija's ratio is good.
She knows her stuff. She knows her stuff.
It's so creamy and like, it's gonna be so good with all the toppings and everything.
I love it because he bring my memory to me. Like when I taste family gathering together. Maybe I miss my family so much when I eat this dish. It's memory for me. I hope you love my traditional dish. Love, Khadija.
Alrighty, let's try this. The fruits of my labor. Let's see. It's crispy. The pomegranate is making it pop. The freshness of it is just brightening my day, honestly. The surprising piece was definitely the pine nuts. It just brings back a memory. Like in winters, we would like be all cuddled up in like blankets. I felt like I never tried it, but then all of a sudden I'm like, hey, this is something I used to eat in winters back home. Maybe I've had it.
Maybe you have.
Maybe I have it. It has a lot of similarities with chana chaat, though the countries might be divided miles apart, but I feel like when it comes to chickpeas, they do have a lot of similarities in them.
That's so good.
I kind of love it. I'm fine. I'm very happy that
I don't have time to talk, okay?
Okay.
I need to keep eating it. I love the pomegranate seeds. I honestly think this is some of the best hummus I've ever had. Khadija, your ratios are perfection.
It made everything seamless. So thank you so much, Khadija, for introducing me to your culture, a part of your family, and most importantly, a part of your upbringing. So appreciate it. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Pan Pals. Let me know in the comments if there's a special chickpea dish from your country that we should all be trying. By the way, if you like home cooking, you should check out the latest season of The Great American Recipe. The show features 8 talented home cooks in a competition that celebrates the diversity and flavors of foods across the US. You can watch the first episode here on the PBS Food YouTube channel and check out the rest of the season every week on the PBS app and your local PBS station. Check it out in the links in the description.